Hey, what is up guys? John from Magic Tech Review. How are you guys doing today? And in today's video we're going to go ahead and take a look at the TCL 20 SE. So this is thanks to TCL for sending me out this phone. If you like the video, go ahead and leave a like, comment, subscribe. Tell me all what you would like to see in further videos, especially when it comes to TCL 20 SE. And also I actually got a chance to get the TCL 20 Pro, so 5G. I did an unboxing of that one as well. So let's go ahead and take a look at this one. I do also have the TCL 10 SE, or TCL 10L actually I should say, and so we can actually compare that. Now this phone, wow, let's just put this to the side real quick before I speak on that, but let's just take a look inside the box, what we get. So you do get a nice case right there. I'm going to go ahead and show you what this case looks like on the phone. And you get your charging brick, and you get your Type-C cable right there. So not much else in the box, but that's par for the course nowadays. So let me show you this phone once again, bring it into view. Let me actually get my other TCL phone as well out, so I can speak about that one as well. But let me just show you guys right off the bat, like this size difference of the TCL 20 SE compared to the L right there. Like, holy moly, look at the difference. But also look at that look right here. The TCL 20 SE, the look and the feel of this phone is just divine in the hand right there. So this one was a very nice design actually for its time, but just feeling these two phones like side to side, wow, this thing is a monster. And as you can see, you got a 6.82 inch display, you got a 5000 milliamp battery, HDR, you got high res audio, and as you can see right there, 128 gigabytes and 4 gigs of RAM, and a 48 megapixel sensor right there. Let's go ahead and take a look around the device itself. So you got a headphone jack, and you got the microphone port right there. You got your Type-C charger as well, and you got your speaker, and looks like another microphone right there. You got your smart key on the side. Then you got your power, and you got your volume up and down rocker right there. So let's go ahead and take a look. See, let's just go ahead and boot up the device. This is just going to be a quick unboxing. There's not going to be any like reviews per se, but let's just go ahead and throw on this case as well. See what it looks like with the case on. So I like how TCL gets you started with a case, you know, just so you don't just get the phone and like automatically drop it. At least you get something, and then if you want to get, you know, any other cases from like Amazon or anything like that, then you're pretty much free to do that. And man, I just wow, I love how big this display is. It's like ginormous. So let's go ahead and just skip all this stuff real quick, and I'm actually gonna go ahead and connect all this stuff offline and all that, and I'm gonna give you a full hands-on review. I'm gonna do a mini review, and then I'm gonna do a full review, then I'm actually gonna, like, you know, put games on there. So in the comments down below, let me know what kind of games you want me to put on there, what all features you want to show for this phone. But first impressions, like, I had the TCL 10L and 10 Pro, and man, this thing does not look like it's going to disappoint. And then the other phones, I love them as well, so I use them to this day, pretty much my daily drivers. I'm using the TCL 10 Pro to actually film this video right now, so no complaints out of there. But yeah, as you can see, it does have a little bit of a bezel on the bottom, so that's, oh, let's put that right there. So yeah, it has a little bit of a bezel on the bottom, little bit of a bezel on top, but overall, let's see here. Overall, with the 4 gigabytes, 128 gigs of storage, let's go ahead and take a look at what apps comes on the phone. Contacts, Duo, Facebook, Messages, Phone, Media, Gallery, Music, Netflix, NetVision, Video, Calculator, Chrome, Clock, Compass, File Share, Notes, Radio, Switch, Photos looks like, Assistant, Calendar, Gmail, Google, Maps, Photos, YouTube, File Manager, Settings, Smart Manager, Support Center looks like, Game Box, you got Weather, and then you got Play Store, and then you got GPay. So all cool. So let me know what you want to see from this device, what videos, what games, what programs, what apps you want to see. If they run with this phone, just let me know. What do you want me to do with this phone in the future? Anyways, this has been John from Magic Tech Review. Thank you so much for watching the video. Go ahead and support the channel by liking, commenting, and subscribing on the channel. And I will see you guys in the next video.